Hey guys, I'm David from Barber Surgeons in Fullerton, California. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the uses and benefits of Suavecito's hair cream. It is best used for more casual or looser hairstyles, showing off texture and keeping it easy to manage. Start with one pump into the palm of your hand. Spread it between your hands and work it into the hair. Work it in evenly throughout your client's hair and then start to finger comb. Depending on their style and hair type, this may do it for them. However, if the look needs to be a little more dialed in, you can always add more product where you feel it's needed for the desired look. Finish it off with a comb or brush. The product can be easily washed out with water in the shower. The formula is specially made to ensure it doesn't strip necessary oils, which prevents hair from feeling dry or damaged. The hair cream is an amazingly simple yet effective product that is easy to use, allowing you to get the look you want every time for your clients. Once again, I'm David from Barber Surgeons in Fullerton, California, and this video was just showing you some of the benefits and uses of Suavecito's hair cream.